beautiful friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to make chicken white karhai. So for karhai, here I am taking 1200 grams of chicken, one bowl of yogurt, and onions. There is onion paste. I have taken 3 large onions and with some 8 to 9 green chilies. So it's a paste here. 4 to 5 bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5, and 10 green cardamom, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 2 tablespoon of cumin powder, salt to taste or salt 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder 1.5 teaspoon, and ginger garlic paste, it's about 3.5 tablespoons. So let's start making it. Firstly, we will fry the spices, the dry spices. Our oil is enough hot and I'm gonna add the spices. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Firstly fry it. Now we will add the ginger garlic paste. Now we will add the chicken. So when the color changes of the chicken, when it gets white, I'm gonna add the onion and chili paste. Mix it. Now we will saute it for 4 to 5 minutes. So now it's getting boiled, so we will leave it boiling. We don't have to cover it. Just saute it for after 2 to 3 minutes because we have to, roast the onion. In the yogurt, I'm gonna add the coriander powder, cumin powder, white pepper powder, black pepper powder, and salt. Now we will mix it. Now our paste is ready. It's enough roasted. Now I'm gonna add the yogurt. After 10 minutes, you can see it's roasting. We have to roast it more. We have to dry the water, this excess water of it. It will dry, it will get only I think 5 minutes more. Now at this stage, as you can see, our oil is getting separate. We will cover it. And cook it on medium flame. And now it's done, and in the end we will add the cream, the Tetra Pak cream. We will mix it. And add more cream on the top of it, and now we will cover it again. We will simmer it for 2 minutes, like on the lowest flame. Now after 5 minutes, I'm gonna take off the lid. Okay, so we will garnish it with some coriander leaves, ginger, and some green chilies. And now our white kadai is done. If you like this recipe, you know what to do. Hit the like button, share this recipe with your family and friends, and make it in your home and let me share your tell me about your experience. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.